Welcome to this video on the Circuit Safety Trinity, where we compare the fuse, MCB, and RCCB for modern electrical systems. These three components are the cornerstones of electrical protection, each playing a unique and critical role. Our focus will be on defining the components and understanding the fundamental roles of these circuit protection devices. The fuse provides thermal protection by melting on overload. The MCB is a mechanical switch that trips on overload and short circuits. The RCCB is a leakage detector that trips on earth faults. The electric fuse offers legacy protection. It is a single-use sacrificial safety device based on thermal melting. It protects against overcurrent and short circuits, offering an extremely low cost and simple design. The fuse uses a metal strip that melts when excessive current flows through it, protecting the circuit. Next is the miniature circuit breaker, or MCB, which offers precision circuit breaking. These electromechanical devices automatically switch off the circuit during abnormal conditions like overloads or short circuits. MCBs are resettable, offer much faster response than standard fuses, and provide a visual indication of tripping via the switch position. The Residual Current Circuit Breaker, RCCB, provides life-saving sensitivity. It's a specialized safety device designed to protect people by detecting current leaks. The RCCB protects against earth leakage and human shocks based on Kirchhoff's current law. Remember, it must be paired with an MCB for full protection. Let's review the primary protection mechanisms. Overload occurs when too many appliances draw too much power, protected by the fuse and MCB. A short circuit requires instantaneous tripping from the fuse or MCB. Only the RCCB detects earth leakage, which is vital for human safety. Comparing responsiveness and reliability, the fuse is medium-slow. The MCB is fast, tripping in less than 0.1 seconds. The RCCB is instantaneous, tripping in about 30 milliseconds to protect lives. This visual comparison shows the speed difference between the thermal protection of a fuse and the instantaneous leakage detection of an RCCB. This technical comparison matrix highlights the key differences. Note the fuse is single-use, while the MCB and RCCB are resettable. The RCCB's core function is protecting humans, and its protection type is earth leakage only, making its cost higher than the others. The RCCB's safety threshold is 30 milliamps, crucial for life safety. This is the current level that becomes dangerous to the human heart. A standard household RCCB is rated at 30 milliamperes and must trip within 30 milliseconds to prevent fatal shocks from earth leakage. In a typical distribution board installation, these devices work in a hierarchy: a main switch, followed by RCCBs for groups of circuits, and then individual MCBs for lights and power sockets. This hierarchy ensures comprehensive protection, isolating faults quickly, and preventing catastrophic failures. For best practices, never bypass protection. Ensure correct MCB ratings match wire capacity and test your RCCB monthly. You can also consider an RCBO, which combines MCB and RCCB functions. Electrical standards and safety practices should always be followed for any installation. Thank you for watching this video on the Circuit Safety Trinity. Always prioritize safety first. Here are the sources for the images used in this video.